Well, we're talking soils here tonight. To give you one support to Sadhguru's principle, all soil in the world should have at least 3% organic carbon. That is what gives life. It gives carbon sequestration, it gives moisture, it gives good food production. An average African soil has 0.3%. It's been degraded to a point which explains why we have on average 1 ton per hectare on food crops, on millet, sorghum, maize, across most parts of sub-Saharan Africa. Can you imagine if you would go from 0.3 to 3%? In Africa, you would help the climate, you would help African development, you would secure food health, you would get rid of malnutrition, and you would move towards a positive development. Ukraine has the world's richest soil. The famous black cotton soils in Ukraine, the breadbasket of large parts of the world. 85% of the grain imported to Egypt at the moment of the Arab Spring came from Ukraine and Russia. You may know that when the people took to the streets in Ukraine during the Arab Spring, the slogan was bread, freedom, dignity. Bread, freedom, dignity. Because the food prices had gone skyrocketing. Why? Because of forest fires that put a ban on exports on grain from Russia and Ukraine, and droughts in Australia, attributed to climate change caused by us humans. Soil and food causing and triggering instability, which gave the rise to the Arab Spring. Soils is the core of that principle. So I would say that is really one of the key principles. But the second one, dear friends, is that we're actually at risk of destabilizing the whole planet. And what is it that regulates the health of the planet? Well, it is the planetary boundaries. The planetary boundaries is not only climate, it's the soils, it's biodiversity, it's fresh water, it's nitrogen, it's phosphorus, it's air pollutants, and it's chemicals. We need to keep all these within safe boundaries. We call that the safe operating space for humanity. Science now provides safe quantities for all of these boundaries. So I redefine sustainable development and human dignity in the following way. Prosperity and equity within planetary boundaries. That is, to me, the rule for humanity in the future.